Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Name. Today we're diving into one of the best kept secrets of experienced gardeners, how to make incredibly rich, nutrient-packed soil. Trust me, with just a few clever techniques, you can turn basic soil into a powerhouse that grows everything from vegetables to flowers with ease. Let's jump in. Healthy plants start with healthy soil. Good soil provides all the nutrients, water retention, and drainage that plants need to thrive. But what makes soil amazing? It's all about the perfect blend of organic matter, beneficial microbes, and minerals. With the right ingredients, you can transform average soil into a nutrient-rich oasis. First, start with a quality base. You don't have to buy the most expensive soil out there, but choose something with a good balance of clay, silt, and sand. Look for garden soil labeled as loamy, as this will have the right mix of textures to support a variety of plants. If you're working with clay-heavy or sandy soil, don't worry, we'll be adding amendments to make it ideal for growing. The magic really begins with organic matter. Compost is essential here. It not only improves soil structure but also feeds those all-important soil organisms that break down nutrients for your plants. You can make your own compost by recycling kitchen scraps and yard waste or purchase it. Aged manure and leaf mold are also excellent additions, helping with water retention and enhancing soil fertility. Next, let's add some worm castings, often called black gold in the gardening world. Worm castings are packed with nutrients and help stimulate plant growth. They also improve soil aeration and water retention. Another fantastic addition is biochar, a type of charcoal that holds onto nutrients and improves soil structure. Biochar works especially well in sandy soils, preventing nutrients from washing away. To add essential minerals, sprinkle in rock dust or azomite. These provide trace minerals that are crucial for plant growth but often missing in basic soil. Minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium are released slowly into the soil, keeping your plants healthy over time. One clever technique that smart gardeners use is planting cover crops or green manures like clover or alfalfa during the off-season. These plants help prevent erosion, add organic matter, and fix nitrogen into the soil, which is essential for leafy greens and other nutrient-hungry plants. When you're ready to plant, simply cut down the cover crop and turn it into the soil. Now here's a step that many gardeners swear by, adding a layer of mulch. Mulching helps retain moisture, keeps soil temperatures stable, and breaks down over time, adding organic matter to the soil. Choose natural mulches like straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips, and cover your soil with a few inches to protect it from the elements. Healthy soil is alive. Adding beneficial microbes is a game changer for gardeners. You can buy microbial inoculants or make your own compost tea to add millions of beneficial bacteria and fungi that support plant health. These microbes break down organic matter, making nutrients available to plants and building disease resistance. Finally, a quick soil pH test is an easy way to see if your soil needs any adjustments. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH of around 6 to 7. If your soil is too acidic or too alkaline, consider adding lime to raise the pH or sulfur to lower it. Testing every season will help you keep the soil balanced and your plants happy. And there you have it, the secrets to building amazing soil that will fuel your garden season after season. By adding organic matter, rock minerals, and beneficial microbes, while protecting it with cover crops and mulch, you're creating the perfect environment for plants to flourish. So, get out there, put these tips to use, and watch your garden grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Channel Name for more gardening tips and tricks. Leave a comment below with your favorite soil building technique, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Happy gardening!